Hi, hello new OPTs, and I know for sure you are watching this because you have successfully passed the LET. Congratulations! Anyway, we'll walk you through the steps on how to register for the oath taking and to secure an appointment schedule. If I were not mistaken, oath taking is a mandatory procedure na kailangan nyo in order for you to be issued your PRC license, COR, and other necessary documents. Ano nga ba ang susunod na gagawin after the let? Without further ado, let's find out. By the way, for those let examinees, nakapasa man o hindi, try to consider our videos na nasa screen na. In that videos, I've discussed the steps how to know your raw score, how to verify your let ratings, and more. Okay, first thing you do after lumabas ang list of passes is to wait. Huwag muna kayong mag-register agad-agad since kakaunti pa lang ang magiging available locations for oath taking. The worst part is baka malayo pa yung lugar nyo sa available locations na nandoon sa choices. Later, I'll explain that to give you an idea. First, go to the PRC Liris website. Then click OK and close. To those na wala pang Liris account, just register since madali lang naman. Scroll down and click the I agree button. Then fill out the necessary details and register. For those na may existing account, just sign in. Use the same email and password na ginamit nyo the time you registered. I'm gonna blur some of it for private purposes. And kindly follow the steps na pinapakita ko sa inyo. In case di nyo na ma-access ang email nyo, just click that button. Anyway, proceed na tayo. After logging in, you can now see your profile information. And at the top right side, select the transaction button. Just click proceed sa mga nagpa-pop out na mga boxes. Huwag muna kayong mag-initial registration since oath taking pa lang naman yan. Instead, click the oath tab. And piliin nyo kung anong type o klaseng oath taking ang gusto nyo, virtual ba o face-to-face. And for today's demo, I choose face-to-face. Choose your profession and input your application number from NOAA. Then click Proceed. Select your preferred PRC regional office. At the moment na nire-record ko to, kaunti pa lang ang available locations for oath taking. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, wait for the update when to register. Huwag kang magmadali unless available na ang gusto nyong location. For today's demo, let's choose PRC Pagadian. Nasa gilid po ang transaction details for more detailed info kung saan at kailan ang magiging oath taking mo. In case ayaw nyo sa binigay na date at time, just click Reschedule button. After that, may ibibigay sa inyong guidelines para sa face-to-face oath taking. Just read it and understand carefully. Then click Submit Application. And yes. After lalabas ang confirmation, obtaining your reference number and your transaction summary. Go to the existing transaction tab under your profile since dito mo makikita ang mga details the time na nag-register ka for oath taking. Don't forget to print your oath form since isa yan sa mga guidelines na nire-require ng PRC, especially during the day of your oath taking. 2 copies na ang i-print nyo. Isang kopya para sa'yo at yung isang copy, yun ang ibibigay nyo sa araw ng oath taking nyo. By the way, you can register for the oath taking using your phones. I-desktop site nyo lang for better view. Then, buy your ticket since required yan sa oath taking. You can buy it from the nearest PRC sa lugar nyo. Aside from your oath form, ipapakita rin ang ticket sa oath taking before kayo papasukin sa venue. Again, always check for the updates regarding the announcement para sa oath taking. When to register for the oath-taking? The time na mag-update ang PRC, specifically in your regional office, then register na kayo. May instances ng iba nakakapag-sked na, but I recommend na hintayin nyo muna ang updates since some regional offices may mga sarili-sarili silang mga guidelines na kailangang tandaan. Just make sure na makapag-sked kayo ng mas maaga to confirm your attendance. Pwede ba mag-oath-taking sa ibang region kahit di ka doon nag-take na exam? Yes, but keep in mind na ang booklet na ibibigay sa iyo ay wala roon ang name mo. May bayad po ba ang oath-taking? In registration for the oath-taking, walang bayad. Pero kailangan niyong magbayad o bumili ng ticket para makasali o makapasok ka sa venue. Depende po ang price per region. Saan makakabili ng ticket? Sa PRC regional branches kung saan ka mag-oath. Tandaan, hindi po pare-parehas ang mga protocols o rules ng mga PRC regional branches. Better to stay updated. Ano po ang next process after oath-taking? The next process is the initial registration. Hintayin nyo pa rin ang updates ng PRC. Normally, pag may announcements na para sa oath-taking, kasama na rin doon ang specific date for filing. Unlike sa registration for the oath-taking, ang initial registration ay may bayad na. May given date from PRC and within that date, mag-set na kayo for appointment. Nasa screen na rin po ang kailangang bayaran at common na requirements para lang makuha ang mga document. By the way, tandaan teachers, maaring magdagdag ang PRC o magbago ng kanilang mga patakaran o requirements sa initial registration. Gaya ng sabi ko, better to stay updated since lahat ng bagay ay nagbabago. That's all. Have a nice day!